Good morning, class. Welcome to the biology class. Now, let us start with the structure of Golgi body. Now, let me tell you what is a Golgi body. Golgi body is also called as Golgi apparatus, and it is present both in plant as well as in animal cells. Now, this Golgi body has a special role because it is secretory in nature. Now, secretory in nature means that Golgi body is responsible for sending the molecules synthesized inside the cell to their respective locations. Suppose I said any molecule is synthesized and that molecule has to go to the cell wall or cell membrane, then Golgi body will be responsible for sending that molecule to the cell membrane or cell wall wherever it has to. Now children, let us start with the structure of Golgi body. Here you can see that cis phase is written. Now the phase of the Golgi body presents towards the nucleus. Suppose I said this is nucleus, then the phase of Golgi body present towards the nucleus is called as the cis phase, and the phase present just opposite to that is called as the trans phase of the Golgi body. Now what about the parts of the Golgi body? The Golgi body has a flattened sac-like structures. Now this sac-like structure is called as cisternae. Now along with cisternae, Golgi body has vacuoles and vesicles with them. It is a very simple structure. Now let me tell you that how Golgi body performs its function. Suppose this is the nuclear pore, or we can say this is the nucleus. Now from the nuclear pore you have studied that endoplasmic reticulum is mostly present in the cell, which is the supportive framework of the cell. Now this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Let me erase it because there is something wrong in making the diagram. Now I can tell you that this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Now suppose any molecule is synthesized inside the nucleus, and after its synthesis it is coming in the endoplasmic reticulum. It can come in the form of vesicles also or directly through the nuclear pore. Now after the molecule comes here, it goes to the Golgi body through the cis phase for the modification. Now you should be knowing here, you should be worried about that what is this modification. Modification means changes in the molecule which is required for the formation, the changes which occurs in the Golgi body. Now here you can clearly see that incoming transport vesicles are written. Now these incoming transport vesicles comes from endoplasmic reticulum, and it comes and binds with the first cisternae towards the cis phase of Golgi body. After its binding, it liberates the molecule in the lumen of the cisternae, and these molecules are then passed on to every cisternae, and their modifications occur inside the Golgi body. After their modification, these molecules are released through the Golgi body from the vesicle. They come from the vesicle. Here you can see newly forming vesicle, and here you can see secretory vesicle. Means after newly forming vesicle, secretory vesicles are formed, and these secretory vesicles go to their target location and deliver the molecule there. I think that now the structure and function of Golgi body is clear. You can take a look at one more structure. This structure you have to draw in your copy also when I will tell you to draw, not now. Now just take a look children. This is a simple structure of Golgi body. This is the simple structure of the Golgi body. Now this is the flattened sac-like structure is called as cisternae. Along with the cisternae, vacuoles and vesicles are present. Now children, I have